We are looking at a 62-acre piece of property known as the 78. Chicago has 77 neighborhoods, and this planned development would be the 78th neighborhood, so that's how it got that name. Now, the biggest thing looking at this is you see an old baseball diamond there. They put that out there in 2024 because the White Sox had talked about building a stadium here, but the newest plans are now for Chicago Fire FC. They officially broke ground on a new $750 million stadium. This would be 22,000 seats, and it would be 100% privately funded by the owner, Joe Mansueto. That is a huge point of contention it's actually a huge point of contention everywhere because nobody likes taxpayers funding stadiums that billionaires will use. So this land used to sit completely vacant. There was homeless encampments on the river. I saw a coyote there, so it was a coyote haven. It used to just be a big piece of property that nobody really went to except for the homeless. Of course, I would bike out into the center of it just because. So anyways, the 78. Now we've got the Chicago Fire coming. They're planning on building a new Red Line station at 15th and Clark, which would provide access to this community and stadium. They're planning a Riverwalk extension that would span the entire property. The Discovery Partners Institute is still planning on a facility here, which is a project by the University of Illinois. That would be a $1.2 billion tech and research hub. So there's all of this going on at the 78, but we still haven't really seen any development there. So we're really hoping that this summer we start to see the build, because if they broke the ground on that Chicago Fire Stadium, we should see construction starting very soon. But this is the 78. It's could be a huge development. Thank you.